Floodlight used the new LiveU300 HEVC to cover the Dragon Boat Australian Championships in 2019. LiveU had already revolutionised our workflow, but this product brought so many new features to the table for us. Because it's very compact and reliable, we were able to cover the action from literally every angle. Also, the ability to stack up to 6 bonded network connections gave our audience amazing stream quality. With the LiveU HEVC technology, our live video transmission was using half the bandwidth, while still remaining beautiful in its image quality. This meant great performance even in low cell reception or challenging remote areas. The LU300's live and store capabilities meant we were able to simultaneously stream to YouTube and save our footage at the highest quality for later use. Also, cloud graphics made adding graphics to our live stream super easy. The LU300 has been revolutionary for us and our clients on every conceivable front. We're streaming higher quality, more reliable footage from anywhere using less data. It's crazy to think how far our business has come with all of LiveU's portable solutions in just a few years. And now the LiveU300 HEVC has changed the game for us yet again.